Hi, this is a quick instruction how to assemble a Robafix on site. So this is the first element that goes down at the very bottom, and the following would be great. And you can see that there it's one assembled element already. So how you do it? You press a little bit to break the little points of contact to make the connection really tight, and I'm stepping on it. You can just press it with your hands, and that's the result that we want to have. One united element. Next step is to connect the grates between each other. Same approach. You're just clicking the elements together, and then we will assemble the third plate. Third element has to go in the middle, and in order to achieve that, we're placing the grates above it. So we will connect this one right there, and we want the element to go through this cross section right there. In case the element will look like this, and we're continuing creating the grate for the tree root ball. And this will be the base for our tree root ball, and we just want to make sure that every seam is connected between each other. It's pretty flexible. You can disassemble it and then reassemble it in case you will make a mistake, but it should be pretty much straightforward. So this is the base for the tree. At first, use a key to loose it up, and then unscrew the bolt right there. Take it off. That's how we will create the loop that will hold the tree root ball in place. Then you tighten it up. That's how we have the loop. And moving forward with the tree root ball. So now repeat the operation on other two anchors. We have 3 ropes right there, and we need to make 3 loops on each anchor. Then we're taking the longer rope, which is 2.5 meter long. Imagine having a tree root ball right there. You would put a cocoa on top. Once you have a tree root ball placed right there, once you have a cocoa mat on top, you're taking the longer rope and going through each loop. So you want to have something like this over your tree root ball, and once you will go through all 3 loops, the tree root ball will be fixed in place. And the next thing you need to do, once you have all 3 loops connected together, imagine me being the tree root ball, and the ratchet goes on top. You take the other side of the belt and go through this little loop. That's how we want it. We want to place it with this little blue tag on top, around our tree root ball, right? Not around your legs, around your tree root ball. Then you take the rigid with little hooks facing down right there. You press it really hard, and you can see that it's being opened like that. And you place the hooks around this little things on both sides of the ratchet and let it go. That's how you release it. So you want to have your blue tag here. That's our free end that is going to be tightened up around the tree root ball. Then you hold one side here, and you go and tighten it up. Once your tree root ball is fixed enough, once it's fixed strong enough, you release the ratchet just the way you placed it. And under the pressure, it will stay and remain at the same position. If you made a mistake, you can release it and lose the tension like that. This handle ratchet should not be buried together with the belt. You should just keep it, have it, and in case if the tree root ball compacts down, or if you need to just, you know, like to tighten up the belt. If you need to tighten up the belt, you just bring it up, you dig up the tree root ball, go down and just tighten it up as you done at the beginning. So just keep it, have it, don't need to bury it with the tree root ball. I hope these instructions were helpful, but if you still have some questions, there is a manual that is going with each box of Robafix. It's pretty descriptive here, but you can always call us if you have questions during the installation. And good luck with your future projects.